I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. We're at the Chrysler Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Come to a great Carlisle event. Check out the description of the video, and you can see some great cars too. And the sun just came out on Richard and I, Richard Gottlieb. And Richard, you've got an amazing car. What car do you have here that's in the Survivor tent?
It's a 1977 Plymouth Volare that belonged to Miss Mighty Mopar Judy Lilly, famous lady drag racer that ran Chrysler sponsored cars, and this was her last Chrysler sponsored car. It's a 77 Plymouth Volare, original interior, part of the original motor.
Let's take a look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. So come on right alongside me. Richard, right alongside me. Come on over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to show the car
you
first.
wanted to see. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to see the engine. Oh, but we're going to get to that. So how did you get this one? How long have you had it?
Had it probably since about February.
So how does this kind of car come about?
It was for sale in California.
Okay.
It had been sold to a fella in California. He bought it about 11 years ago at Barrett Jackson,
Is that right?
Scottsdale, Arizona.
Wow. You've got a piece of Mopar history right here.
Yes. Painted by the famous Kenny Youngblood of California that did top fuel cars and funny cars.
Now, was this a good runner? I mean, did this win anything, or?
Yeah, she won some stuff with it.
Okay. Now we've got the roll bars go right through the trunk here, so we're not going to be able to open that. And we've got some junk in the trunk. I guess we can open it a little bit and just show them what that looks like.
Okay.
But we just we got the Lilly 77 there.
Yeah, I was able to get that plate.
That's cool.
I guess the first class they put her in, she blew the record, and they didn't like that.
Is that right?
Put her in another class.
Nice. You can see the roll bars and the tire back there, and the gas
right.
cap. Yeah, perfect. Okay, we'll close that. And let's open it up. Show me how you get into something like this, because this is definitely very different way you get in a race car versus a normal car. So that bar moves out.
Yes.
Just like so.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Just get in like a regular
And
car.
then she slides in there. I'm kind of surprised it still has the back seat in it.
Oh yeah, headrest, original interior, dash.
Look at
steering
that.
wheel,
And then,
odometer.
yeah. And you got her little slapstick there, as you call it. And that's what she's watching right there. That says go. Wow.
You might want to take a picture of that title, look.
Yeah, okay.
Right there. Copy the original title from Chrysler.
Oh, wow. That's cool. With her signature on it. And I see you've got the badge here, too.
Now that fender tag is very vague over there. By the Ram Chargers, they said that was a Chrysler Engineering fender tag.
Wow.
So, I don't know. The VIN number begins like with mine.
That's cool.
I'm not saying it is it.
Yeah, let's pop the hood, shall we?
Yeah. Want the door shut?
We'll keep it open for right now because we're going to fire it one time.
Now you remember, Lou, you were wondering why the 67 Lilly car had an outside mirror on it?
Yeah.
You said she wanted to see her competition.
That's right. This one's got her competition right there.
Crazy.
Yeah, the last car we did, which is the one on your shirt, I said she's got a mirror on it. And I said, yeah, the reason why she's got that mirror is she wants to see her competition. Ooh, nice.
And these are just fresh autographs.
Oh, look at this. Look at that. Some fresh autographs there.
Watch your head.
Oh, yeah, we've got some autographs down here. Wow, that's
And
great.
this is something they used back in the day to cool the fuel. They put ice in there.
Look at that.
Which I took that label off ice bag.
Put it right there, yeah, so it makes it clear.
Yeah.
All right, can I hold this open while you fire it?
Yeah.
All right, will
You
it
don't
stay
have-
open? All right, good enough.
I wouldn't put your head on.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let you fire it. I'm going to stand behind it. I'll let you give it one good, we'll let it idle for a second. We'll give it one good rev. We'll make everybody in the show look at you, and then we'll go.
It idles pretty good.
It does idle good, I'm sure.
Maybe.
I'm sure it's going to idle just fine. Okay, blast off. Yeah, I knew that'd get you smiling. Oh yeah, that's great. That's good stuff right there. Well, Richard, it's always so much fun when we get together, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much again for being on My Car Story. I'm going to feature your car and we'll get people to see what they think. So happy to see you. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Thanks for doing it.
You're welcome.